I'm going to demonstrate how to launch the Hobo Stowaway temperature recorders. These are the small recorders, about 1.5 inches by 2 inches by 3/4 inch thick, about the size of the small wooden matches boxes. The software for this is the oldest of the Boxcar software. It's Boxcar 3.7. If you go to the Start menu, all programs, look for Onset applications, and then Boxcar 3.7. Now, you have to start by plugging a miniature phone jack cable into the port on the Stowaway. And this cable should already be plugged into the back of the computer. I'm plugging that in, then I'm going to click on Logger and Launch. So it's connecting, should indicate that it's found the Hobo, and it has. Scoot this up so you can see it. There are just a couple of options really on setting these up. These have only one channel. It's showing that it's currently reading the current temperature here in this room, both in Fahrenheit and centigrade. In this particular window, you can change the label to identify the stowaway. If you're launching more than one, you can use this to identify which is which, where it's being stored. In this case, we're just going to say that we're recording the lab temperature in room 202. Here we could indicate how often we want it to record that temperature. Let's say we're going to do it every 15 minutes. If you're out in the field more often than not, I would select about every 30 minutes. That gives us pretty good resolution through the course of the day, but at the same time doesn't record so much data that it will use up all the memory before we can get to it and download the data. We can delay the launch of the device by selecting here, so you could get them set in the lab and then get them placed out into the field or wherever you're doing it, and they wouldn't actually begin recording until the time that you indicate. We'll have it begin at 2 p.m. on November 8th of 2009. We can check the battery status here. This shows that the battery is fully charged, and that's really all there is to it. Click Start. It launches, and it tells you to unplug the cable and click OK. Now you can visually verify that the Hobo has been launched. It has a little LED sticking out the side, and it should blink I think about every 5 seconds to indicate that it has been activated. And we've been successful in this case.